Imagine a world transformed. Picture a future where technology understands us like never before. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality GPT-4o is building. This revolutionary AI is poised to reshape our world, from the mundane to the extraordinary. GPT-4o represents a giant leap forward in artificial intelligence. It surpasses the limits of its predecessors, offering astonishing capabilities. We're on the cusp of a new era, one where AI becomes an inseparable part of our lives. In this video, we'll explore the incredible potential of GPT-4o. We'll delve into its groundbreaking features and see how it outshines previous models. Join us as we uncover the ways GPT-4o will revolutionize our world. From education and healthcare to security and beyond, GPT-4o's impact will be profound. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this exciting journey into the future of AI. Get ready to have your mind blown. GPT-4o isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete paradigm shift. It's not simply about processing language, it's about understanding and using it in ways we never thought possible. This new breed of AI can generate human-quality text, translate languages seamlessly, and answer your questions in an informative way. It can even write different kinds of creative content like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. But what truly sets GPT-4o apart is its ability to learn and adapt. It can process information from a massive dataset, allowing it to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. This makes GPT-4o incredibly versatile and powerful. It's a game changer in the world of AI. The potential applications are staggering. Imagine a world where AI can automate tasks, provide personalized experiences, and even help us solve complex problems. GPT-4o makes this future a tangible reality. One of the most remarkable features of GPT-4o is its enhanced language understanding. It can grasp the nuances of human language like never before, allowing for more natural and intuitive interactions. This means you can communicate with GPT-4o in a conversational way, just like you would with another person. GPT-4o also boasts an expanded knowledge base. It has been trained on a massive data set of text and code, giving it an unprecedented understanding of various topics. Whether you need information on history, science, or even pop culture, GPT-4o can provide comprehensive and accurate answers. Moreover, GPT-4o excels at generating different creative text formats. It can write stories, poems, articles, and even code in multiple programming languages. Its ability to adapt to different writing styles and tones makes it an incredibly versatile tool for content creation. But GPT-4o's capabilities extend far beyond language. Its advanced reasoning and problem-solving abilities allow it to tackle complex tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. This opens up a world of possibilities in various fields, from scientific research to business operations. GPT-4o's magic lies in its ability to learn from vast amounts of data. It utilizes a technique called deep learning, which involves training artificial neural networks to recognize patterns and make predictions. These neural networks are inspired by the structure of the human brain, with interconnected nodes that process information. By feeding GPT-4o massive datasets of text and code, these networks learn to identify relationships between words, concepts, and ideas. Through a process called backpropagation, GPT-4o refines its understanding by adjusting the weights and connections within its neural network. This iterative learning process allows it to continuously improve its accuracy and performance over time. Unlike traditional rule-based AI systems, GPT-4o doesn't rely on explicit programming to perform tasks. Instead, it learns from the data itself, enabling it to adapt to new situations and generate creative outputs that go beyond its training data. Section 4. Outpacing the competition, GPT-4o versus the old guard. GPT-4o represents a significant leap forward from previous language models like ChatGPT. While ChatGPT was groundbreaking in its ability to generate human-like text, it had limitations in terms of its knowledge base and reasoning capabilities. GPT-4o's enhanced architecture and training data allow it to surpass these limitations, offering a wider range of capabilities and a deeper understanding of the world. It can handle more complex tasks, provide more accurate information, and generate even more creative and engaging content. Furthermore, GPT-4o's ability to continuously learn and adapt sets it apart from older AI models that relied on static datasets. This means that GPT-4o will continue to evolve and improve over time, becoming even more powerful and versatile. The advancements embodied in GPT-4o mark a turning point in the evolution of AI. It's not just an incremental improvement, it's a fundamental shift towards more intelligent, capable, and adaptable AI systems that will reshape our world in profound ways. Let's step into the classroom of the future, where GPT-4o is transforming the way we learn and teach. Imagine a world where education is personalized, engaging, and accessible to all. This is the promise of GPT-4o in the realm of education, a promise of unlocking human potential like never before. GPT-4o can create interactive learning experiences, going far beyond the limitations of traditional textbooks. Imagine history lessons brought to life through AI-generated simulations or language learning enhanced by real-time feedback and practice with GPT-4o as your tireless and patient conversation partner. But GPT-4o's impact on education extends beyond just enhancing the learning process. It can also automate tedious tasks like grading, freeing up educators to focus on what truly matters, inspiring and mentoring their students. With GPT-4o, education becomes a truly personalized and engaging journey, tailored to the unique needs and interests of each student. Let's explore how this revolutionary AI is reshaping the educational landscape. One of GPT-4o's most significant contributions to education is its ability to personalize the learning experience. Imagine a world where every student has access to a customized curriculum, tailored to their individual strengths, weaknesses, and learning style. GPT-4o can analyze a student's performance, identify areas where they may be struggling, and generate personalized learning materials and exercises. This means students can learn at their own pace, focusing on the areas where they need the most support. This level of personalization has the potential to revolutionize education, particularly for students who have traditionally struggled in traditional classroom settings. With GPT-4o, every student can have access to the resources and support they need to succeed. From personalized lesson plans to targeted interventions, GPT-4o empowers educators to create a truly inclusive and effective learning environment for all students. GPT-4o's capabilities go beyond just personalized learning. It can also serve as a tireless virtual tutor, available 24/7 to provide students with the support they need. Imagine a world where every student has access to their own personal AI tutor, ready to answer questions, provide feedback, and offer encouragement. Students can interact with GPT-4o in a conversational way, asking questions and receiving detailed explanations on any subject. GPT-4o's vast knowledge base and advanced language processing abilities make it an ideal learning companion. Whether a student is struggling with a math problem, needs help writing an essay, or simply wants to explore a new topic, GPT-4o is always there to guide them. This accessibility to personalized support can be transformative, particularly for students who may not have access to traditional tutoring resources. With GPT-4o as a virtual tutor, students can learn at their own pace, in their own time, and in a way that best suits their individual learning style. The impact of GPT-4o extends far beyond the traditional classroom walls. It has the potential to revolutionize lifelong learning, making education more accessible and engaging for people of all ages and backgrounds. Imagine using GPT-4o to learn a new language, pick up a new skill, or explore a subject that's always interested you. With GPT-4o, the possibilities for personal and professional growth are limitless. GPT-4o can power online learning platforms, create personalized learning paths, and even provide real-time feedback and support to learners around the world. This opens up a world of opportunities for people who may not have access to traditional educational resources. In the age of GPT 4.0, learning becomes a continuous journey, empowering individuals to adapt to the changing demands of the workforce and pursue their passions with confidence.